Okay, let's get the exercise and all the confusions, all the question answers will come across in exercise. This is the first exercise. Exercises are always tricky, always difficult, always confusing, and people don't like exercises. But we'll try our friendly and a nice and a fine way to give you a very simple idea what is the difference between subject and predicate and how you can get command on all these things. So the number one question is, in the following sentence separate the subject and the predicate. So the cackling of geese saved Rome. The cackling, the sound of geese is a bird, saved Rome. So get the answer? Answer is here. The cackling of geese is a subject. The cackling of geese is a subject. What is a subject? The person or a thing which does something. And saved Rome is a predicate. It means cackling of geese, they are doing something in Rome. So it is information about cackling of geese saved Rome. The cackling of geese is a subject and saved Rome is a predicate. Next example. The boy stood on the burning deck. What is a predicate and what is the subject? You know very well. A subject, something does. Predicate is information, prediction. So the number second question is the boy is a subject and the rest of the sentence is predicate. The boy stood on the burning deck. The boy is a subject. Stood on the burning deck is a predicate. Okay, third one. Tubal-Cain was a man of might. Tubal-Cain is a name of a person, okay? So, third one is Tubal-Cain is a subject, was a man of might is a predicate. Simple. Who is doing work here? A Tubal-Cain, a man. It's a subject. Rest of the sentence is predicate. Fourth example. Stone walls do not make a prison. Okay, let's get number 4. Stone walls is a subject. You know why? Who is doing work in this sentence? Stone wall. And rest is a predicate. So stone walls, subject, do not a prison make. It's a predicate. It gives you information about the sentence. Remember please, predicate is just an information about the sentence. Who is doing work is a subject. Predicate, prediction. Okay. So, fifth one, the singing of birds delights us. The singing of birds, subject. Delight us, predicate. Sixth, Miss Kitty was rude at the table one day. Miss Kitty is a subject. Rest of the sentence is a predicate. Mean was rude at the table one day. He has a good memory. Okay, let's see. He is a subject, has a good memory is a predicate. Bad habits grow unconsciously. Bad habits, subject. Grow unconsciously, predicate. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth is a subject. It does something, revolves around the sun. The earth, subject, revolves around the sun. Number 10. Nature is the best physician. Nature is a subject. Is the best physician is predicate. Number 11. Edison invented the phonograph. Edison is a subject. Invented the phonograph is predicate. The sea hath many thousand sands. The sea is a subject. Hath many thousand sands. Hath is Old English, it means it has or it contains. We cannot pump the ocean dry. We is a subject. Rest of the sentence is a predicate. Very simple. 14th. Borrowed garments never fit well. Borrowed garments. That's a subject. That is a thing. You know, subject is a thing. So, or a person. So, borrowed garments is a subject. And never fits well, predicate. 15th. The early bird catches the worm. Okay, let's get the sentence here and the answer. The early bird, subject, catches the worm, predicate. All matter is indestructible. All matter, subject, is indestructible, predicate. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Islamabad, subject, is the capital of Pakistan, predicate. We should profit by experience. We, subject, should profit by experience, predicate. All roads lead to Rome. All roads, subject, lead to Rome, predicate. A guilty conscience needs no excuse. A guilty conscience, subject, needs no excuse, predicate. The beautiful rainbow soon faded away. The beautiful rainbow is a subject, soon faded away, predicate. Number 22. No man can serve two masters. No man, subject, can serve two masters, predicate. A sick room should be well aired. A sick room is a thing, is a subject. Rest of the sentence, predicate. Number 24. The dewdrops glitters in the sunshine. The dewdrop, that is doing something. It performs some function. So the dewdrop is a subject. Glitter in the sunshine is a predicate. I shot an arrow into the air. I is a subject. Shot an arrow into the air, predicate. A barking sound the shepherd hears. The shepherd is a subject. It's a little bit tricky. Barking sound the shepherd hears. So, the barking? No. The shepherd is a subject. And rest of the sentence? A barking sound, and here is a prediction, is a predicate. 27th and the last sentence of this exercise. On the top of the hill lives a hermit. Hermit is a superhero, so it's like a superhero. So 27th is a hermit. It's a tricky sentence. Look, the subject comes in the last. Who is doing work? Who is performing the thing? Who is doing something? Hermit. So hermit is a subject. And the rest of the sentence mean on the top of the hill lives is a predicate. And hope you understand what is the difference between subject and predicate. And you do not have to work later on, because I'm 100% sure that you understand the difference between subject and predicate, and this can help you to build complex sentences with accuracy, with precision, and with comprehension, and this can help you to achieve your valuable writing goals.